Okay, we're speaking about Kriyas Torah Chol Hamoed. In Chutz Loretz or in Eretz Yisrael, on the Karbonos, on Sukkos, what do you read? So the Mechaber and the Ramah, they argue exactly what the order of the reading is. And the Mechaber says in Eretz Yisrael, you read the same thing. Every Aliyah has the same reading every day. Ramah says no. You read further. You read ahead. As the Ramah says, regarding Chutz Loretz, right? The third Aliyah is the fourth day, let's say the first day. Second, right? And then you recap it with the first 2 days, the fourth Aliyah. Hey, according to the Mechaber. Even Ashkenazim. Okay, so it's the Ramah doesn't argue. The Ramah doesn't argue. Says in Eretz Yisrael, the Mechaber says that in Eretz Yisrael you read the same. Every Aliyah reads the same Aliyah. They read the same reading, right? That's the Mechaber yesterday. Like a Chol Hamoed, you read Yom HaSheni. Everybody reads the same over and over again. Yom HaSheni. And somebody made the Ramah doesn't disagree. On Chutz Loretz, the Ramah argued. No. Do you go? No, not even. Do you go out of bounds? Do you go out of bounds? The Ramah says you do go out of bounds, right? You read Yom HaRavi. On the first day Chol Hamoed, you read Yom HaRavi, correct? That's what Ramah says. And the fourth Aliyah reads Yom HaSheni and Yom HaShlishi. So what we said, how did we explain? What's the argument of the Mechaber and the Ramah? So as the Mishna Berura says, the Mechaber says, because you can't read Yom HaRavi, it's not the fourth day yet, right? Even if it's Sveikari, it's a question. First day Chol Hamoed is not the fourth day of Yom Tiv, under any circumstance. Therefore, you don't read the fourth day. Okay? Ramah says no. The reading still, the subject matter has to do with Yom Tiv. So even though it's not the fourth day, you read the fourth day. So that was so what about Eretz Yisrael? So seemingly you can do the same thing. You have Yom HaSheni, you read Yom Shlishi, Yom Revi, read all the days. Why not? Right? And that would be consistent with the Ramah. Yet it seems the Ramah doesn't argue in Eretz Yisrael. And as he's saying, in Eretz Yisrael, even the Ashkenazim, they read the same Aliyah over and over again, the same reading. They read that well, the Mechaber says that. They're the same reading, same thing. I understand that. Because it has no relevance. It's not Yom Revi. You know, on Purim you see Mos Sur, right? It has no relevance to Purim. You know. So we understood that was the basis of the Machlokas in Chutz Loretz. Why, according to Ramah, you read Yom HaRavi, and according to Mechaber, you don't read Yom HaRavi on the second day. If it's within the Sveikari Yom, okay, it's the second day or the third day, but it's definitely not the fourth day. Ramah says it's okay. You need it's better to read a new reading as long as you're within the subject matter. So therefore, you read Yom HaRavi. He has no problem repeating. But if you have a choice, right, better read not the same thing over and over again. That's what in Mechaber Ramah says. You read Yom Revi on the first day Chol Hamoed, even though it's not the fourth day of Yom Tiv. It's definitely maximally it's the third day of Yom Tiv, right? Factually, it's the third. It's not the fourth. So, but yet when we come to Eretz Yisrael, we read the same day over and over again. So I would have understood according to Ramah. You have an alternative. Just keep reading. Because it's within the same concept of bring Korbanos on Yom Tiv. Yet, the Ramah doesn't, there's no notation of the Ramah and the Mechaber here. It seems to be he concurs. In Eretz Yisrael, you read the same day, on this day, over and over again. Some say, so what would be the reason, how would we differentiate? Right? So you have to say that when we're dealing with a Sveika Diyoma where you're not reading, the reading is not accurate in either case. So therefore we go beyond. We go to Yom Revi. And there's no questions. Today's definitely the second day. So if today's definitely the second day, how do I read a day which is not the day? right? So therefore, you read the same day over and over again for every aliyah. I was once in Buenos Aires. I davened in the Sephardi shul there. Most of the shuls are Sephardi, and it was in the summertime here. There it's in the winter, and they called up for the same parsha. 25 people for the aliyah. Could you imagine? You could go out of your mind. They read over the same reading 25 times, because I'd say a fifth of the shul received aliyahs. It's a good way to raise money. You don't insult anybody. Okay? But that's what happened. By them, they wait for this whole week. Yeah. Okay. Don't be judgmental. Okay, we have one of those people representing you. Okay. The judgmental people. Exactly. Okay. Let's go a little further. Bays. We have to do the vav. Wait. We have to do vav. We said, let's get back to the Rambo. What do you do on Hoshana Rabbah? Because Hoshana Rabbah, you can't reach Shmini Atzeres, right? The seventh day of Sukkot. So Hoshana Rabbah said, Ramos said, B'yom HaShvi, Kakoin Korei B'yom HaChamishi, Levi B'yom HaShishi, Yisrael B'yom HaShvi, right? The third aliyah is Yom HaShvi, Hoshana Rabbah. The Ravi and the fourth aliyah reads B'yom HaShishi, B'yom HaShvi. The sixth and the seventh.
I can understand the other days where you, where the last person gets both of the spaces. But here the sixth is not included.
Okay.
So why just not read the seventh again? Why did you get it?
Chenanu Noagim. Could be it's uniform with the previous days.
In terms of how much?
Of how many days they read. Let's see the Mishna Berura. Haravi Koreh B'yom HaShish B'yom HaShvi. V'chein b'tfilos korbanos hamusafim. This is what Alan just brought up. Right? We say the same thing in the Shmoneh Esrei, in Musaf. V'chein b'tfilos korbanos hamusafim kol hamoed maskirin gamki sveika diyoma. Also, Dani b'yom HaRishon d'chol hamoed omrim b'yom HaSheni Porim Shnei Oser b'yom HaShlishi Porim Ashtei Oser Simin Shlo Titeh La'olam HaPorim v'yom b'yachad Heim Arba Oser Tzom Minchosam b'yom Sheni Yom HaShlishi v'chein b'chol yom tzorach loma u'mitchosam al kol yom b'fnei atzmo. Right? They brought meal offerings together with the animals, with the bulls. They would bring meal offerings. Mitchosam. Some person says one mitchosam. You say it at the end. No, every time you say, because you're addressing each day. Each day had its mincha. U'mitchosam, the mincha that accompanied the animals. So he says mitchosam al kol yom b'fnei atzmo. Udloka toim, not like those who mistakenly shenom rak pamachas min chosom, b'musaf b'chol osmus es musaf, ub'shavs musfei sero shanos b'shnei yom tovim omrim man mitoch. Oh, now the question is, every day you say by Shanos, you say another paragraph. On the Moshiach, right? Each one. For Shabbos, you say a separate Hoshana. She says, B'shnei Yom Tov, Omrim L'mana Mitoch, Even Shesiyo, U'b'chol HaMoed, Erech Shui, Kel L'moshos, Odon HaMoshiach, Shabbos, Om Nitzura, B'chol Yom Rishon, the Sukkos B'Shabbos, the first day of Sukkos falls out on Shabbos, Omer B'yom Sheni L'mana Mitoch, B'yom Rishon, Chol HaMoed, Erech Shui, B'yom Sheni, Chol HaMoed, Even Shesiyo, okay. B'yom Shlishi, Chol HaMoed, Kel L'moshos, B'yom Chol HaMoed, Odon HaMoshiach, Nitcher L'gamri, V'mchol Yom Shishi b'Shabbos, Omrim al Zeh Seder. Okay. You follow the picture in the art scroll in Mauser or Siddur. Okay, Beis. Shabbos Chol HaMoed. Okay, Shabbos Chol HaMoed. Arvis Shachris Mincha. Mispalel Shel Shabbos. V'omer Yalav Yavo Ba'avoda. Say Yalav Yavo, as we normally do. Ube Musaf, O me'atu v'chartonu b'nei chatoinu. Say the musaf, whatever the musaf is. Es yom noach hazeh, es yom hasukas hazeh. We don't say yom noach. It's not our nusach. Chosei mekarish haShabbos v'yisrael v'hazmanim. Hagor. V'nogim lo ba'koheles b'Shabbos shechlo moed. There's a minog, we say koheles, read the Megillus koheles. O b'shmini atzeres. Im ikla b'Shabbos. We say it on Shabbos chol moed. On Shmini Atzeres, if it falls out on Shabbos. Ayin leo sim tov tzadik. Base. Ayin leo sim tzadik. Shem avor linyan im yesh levorach aleim. Our minig is, the different minhagim. Do you say, Amikra Megillah? We only use a klaf. Right? The Gaon holds you do. In Eretz Yisrael, they say a bracha. In Eretz Yisrael, they say a bracha when they read the Megillah. What? Of course we read from a cloth. There's no Chaim Berlin, they say a bracha. Everybody else doesn't. Minig Ashkenaz, it's not like the Gaon one doesn't say a bracha. It's only where there's an obligation. It's not a minog. Mikra Megillah says you're obligated to read. No, it's a minog. It's a minog to read the Megillah. Shira Shirim, or Koheles we read, or Eicho. No, the Megillah has the status of Megillah. But we're talking, you say the bracha, Ashek Shem al Mikra Megillah. Right? You have an obligation to read it. Just it's a minog, if we don't. Purim is not a minog. You're obligated to read the Megillah. You say a bracha. They even say Shechianu. They say Shechianu too. Okay, just let's finish off the simon here. Motzi shnei svorim. You take out 2 Sifrei Torah. Be'echad korei ato omer Eli mafti korei bekorban shel sveka diyomo mafti becheskel voy biyom bogog. Ato omer Eli sheish bo inyan sukkah mafti korei bechosim aftorah bekari Shabbos Yisrael v'azmanim chemaske shel sukkos be'emtza brocha kamo biyom tov rishon shel sukkos biyom bogog fi shelosed tiyeh l'chemes gog u'mogog b'tishrei. Because ultimately the Armageddon is going to happen in Tishrei. Okay, to be continued.